Good morning. Today we have started walking and trekking at Pachaimalai Hills, which is nearby Crompet Sanatorium Belt. So it has got some elevation point, little bit, and we have started walking. You can see the elevation points at the back side of me. It's not the kind of easy steps, bit tough for us to trek and climb and do this. It's lovely in the morning. This Sunday, kind of useful day for me, and I spent it on my own health, towards my health. One more day, just like that. Another day, another healthy day, another elevation point. Come on, let's do it. Say hi. This is my group. Thank you.